Hey, what's happening guys? How are we getting on? I wanted to do a video today based on the MatePad Pro. Now I've been using the MatePad Pro for the last 3 weeks or so, and I found it to be an incredible tablet and I've got some real good use out of it. But I've also got some tips and tricks and I thought I would share those with you today. So, first on the list. Now, the MatePad Pro is a HMS device, which means Huawei Mobile Services. It doesn't have the Google Play Store or the Google Mobile Services. That can sometimes mean that apps might be a little bit harder to find, or so you would think. So the first thing I do off the bat is phone clone across the apps across my phone that I know I need. That's Facebook, it's Instagram, it's stuff like that. The things that I know I'm going to use every single day. Then I add on the ability to find extra applications. So we have the app gallery, that's where most apps come from, and then I install Petal Search More Apps. That's found in the app gallery and allows me to find other applications from other sources that aren't yet an app gallery. Then we've got APK Pure, I've talked about in my previous videos. So one thing I found I've started to use recently is Amazon Appstore. And this actually solved a problem for me. Now my little girl Olivia has been saying that she wants Minecraft on my tablet for whenever she decides to steal it, but I couldn't get Minecraft working. Now the reason for this is because Minecraft is a paid application, and therefore you shouldn't be able to download it for free from other sources. So anywhere I found it from before, it didn't work. However, when I went into Amazon Appstore, there I could buy Minecraft for $4.99. That application went straight through my purchases on Amazon, installed on the tablet, and works perfectly fine with online features. So that solved a little problem for me. Also, I found that the Zoom application from the Amazon App Store actually works slightly better than the one that I found on Petal Search. And this is because the adverts that were displayed before, which were a little bit annoying on the top and bottom frames, aren't there whenever I download the app through the Amazon App Store. I'm not quite sure why this is, but it just goes to show that having more app stores available on your device gives you better variety of where you get your apps from, and there may be some small differences that improve the experience. I also find that I use dark mode quite a lot as well, especially at night time because I find it's easier on the eyes. In the daytime, having the white backgrounds makes viewing a little bit easier, but then things like emails or things that are very text heavy like browsers and stuff like that, I prefer that in dark mode. The Kirin 990 chip in the MatePad Pro also makes it a very fast experience, so you can literally flick it into light or dark mode very quickly and not notice a loading time. Now another feature that I found really interesting and pretty useful is the desktop mode. When you flick into desktop mode just by pulling down and clicking it, that gives you more of a Windows style view, which PC users and Mac users will be more used to. This gives you a landscape view of the MatePad and actually makes use a little bit easier. You have a desktop dedicated, so certain icons can be on your desktop there that you wouldn't normally have on your tablet home screen. You can connect a wireless mouse and keyboard, which gives you the flexibility of having the tablet further away from you on the desk, which can help with comfort. It also allows you to flick between multiple apps pretty easily. If you open, say, Word, you can then minimize the application and it'll be down in the bottom left hand corner and there'll be a small icon there which will show you that it's actually working at the moment. Now one thing that's been really handy for me, and you've seen it in a couple of my TikTok videos, is pairing a PlayStation 4 controller with the MatePad, which is so simple. All you need to do is go into your Bluetooth menu on your MatePad Pro. From there, grab your PlayStation controller, hold the PS button and share button at the same time, hold them in, and that puts the controller into pairing mode. You'll see it, like this, appear in the Bluetooth menu. Give a little click on the PlayStation controller and it's connected. Now depending on the game that you're playing, you may have to just readjust your buttons, so you might have to recalibrate them, so X is jump or whatever, but it allows you the ability to play games so much easier. So I would use this for Call of Duty and Minecraft, because I just find that those games that require a lot of buttons, they're a lot easier to use a wireless controller. That's it from me guys, thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and also subscribe to the channel, that way you'll get the best out of Chris Tweed Tech Legend. Yo! I don't even know why I've done that, but I have now.